Children today had an experience of a lifetime when they celebrated the birthday of a very popular cartoon character, Chhota Bheem, in Namma city.
Chhota Bheem, Chhota Bheem, Chhota Bheem, Chhota Bheem, 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 Chhota Bheem.
Summer holidays have almost come to an end, and most of the parents would have sent their children to summer camps to let their child utilize time efficiently. But some unfortunate kids who do not go to schools hate the term holiday. These kids just want to study and use education to come up in their lives. Today, underprivileged kids, along with the kids from News9, were all set to have a jolly day and be a part of a birthday celebration. Since most of the kids are always busy watching cartoons during summer holidays, Bosco Mane, an NGO based in Chamrajpet, decided to bring alive a popular toon character for the kids and celebrate the character's birthday. On the occasion of Pogo's 10th anniversary celebrations, the team decided to get Chhota Bheem, one of the most popular cartoon characters, to Namma city and celebrate the character's birthday. The event was organized by Pogo with the help of Bosco Mane and in association with News9.
We are really happy that Chhota Bheem has come to Bosco to celebrate his birthday, and it is a very exciting event for the children. Children have never had an experience of meeting Chhota Bheem, and they were extremely happy to be with Chhota Bheem and celebrate his birthday. And we look forward to such events with the children.
The event kick-started with assembling the kids who come under the age groups of 8 to 10 from the NGO. The organizers then started playing games with the kids who were put into the groups. The children were excited to participate and gave it their best. Some kids showed their true talents when it came to dancing and were seen dancing without inhibition to Bollywood tunes. Finally, two kids were declared the winner of the dancing competition, and the boys of Bosco Mane were thrilled at their victory. One of the boys even said that though he did not know how to dance, he ended up winning, and he was extremely surprised and happy at his win. But the main attraction of the day was yet to come, and the children were eagerly waiting to see their favorite Desi cartoon hero, Chhota Bheem. And the moment finally came when Chhota Bheem from Dholakpur arrived on the stage. The children gave Chhota Bheem a grand welcome and were seen hooting and shouting for the cartoon character. Chhota Bheem mingled with the kids really well, and for the kids, it felt as if they had gone to Dholakpur. Chhota Bheem then did the Bheem dance and entertained the kids with some classic moves which he does in the cartoon show. It was then time for Bheem to take photographs with the kids, and it was like a dream come true for many kids. Bheem also gave some classic poses with the kids, making it all the more engaging for the crowd. News9 employees' kids had a fabulous time at the event as well.
Because he's a superhero, he helps everybody and he's the bravest boy in the world. My dad is a superhero. He will help for everyone, and he will fight. He will powerful.
Show me how much muscles you have. Show me how much.
Laddus.
Laddus. Wow. So show me your muscles as well. Wow. Kiss your muscles.
The children were very excited to cut the cake, and Chhota Bheem did the honors by cutting the birthday cake. Chhota Bheem then made his way out, but not before posing with the kids again and giving them some gifts on his birthday.
Yes, great. beam ತರ pose ಮಾಡಿ, beam ತರ pose ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
The children then had an amazing lunch and were extremely elated on receiving Chota Bheem goodies and toys. It was one eventful day for the kids meeting Chota Bheem, and it's a day they will never forget.
These kids have enjoyed themselves thoroughly. What a proud moment it is for them to meet their idol Chota Bheem from Dholakpur. I hope these guys had a nice time, and probably next year Chota Bheem will come back.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
East or west? Dholakpur is the best. East or west? Dholakpur is the best. East or west? Vivek is also the best. No. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Every year these kids celebrate with Chota Bheem his birthday, and it's a proud moment for them, and hopefully they've had a great time. If you missed out on Chota Bheem's birthday celebrations, bring your kids along the next year and they'll have some great fun too. With camera person Sushil Kumar, this is Vivek Vinayak for News 9 Bengaluru. Chota Bheem! Chota Bheem!
Chota Bheem!
Yeah!